What is wrong with him?
He can't talk, he can't hear. What happened? You travel to village. Who is Sunshine? His name is Sunshine. You said he traveled to the village, but I see this boy staying in village. Is he staying in the village?
Then I went to go and carry him.
He stays in the village.
Yes, sir.
You went to carry him. He's
Yes,
not
sir.
talking.
Yes, sir.
He's not hearing.
Yes, sir.
Is that how he does before?
No, sir.
You know what I saw? Mommy, I saw like in the realm of the spirit, people that were writing exam, like for scholarship.
Yes, sir.
And I saw that this guy did well.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's right, sir. Yes, sir.
They now promised to give him scholarship.
Yes, sir.
I saw the wife of your uncle. She put powder in her stomach and chest and embraced him. Like celebrating that is happening. It was after that this madness started. Sunshine. Sunshine. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So this boy from today comes under my scholarship. So yeah. So mommy, look at me. Tomorrow I will give you 100,000 to start.